Hello, students. This is the second chapter of your history NCERT book, India and the Contemporary World. The name of the chapter is Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. So, what are we going to study in this chapter? In this chapter, we are going to study about how Russia also faced many problems before getting a stable form of government. Just like we discussed in the previous chapter, that is the French Revolution, the same type of discussion will be held in this chapter also. In this chapter, you will get to know how society gradually began to change and which were the people who were the main factors of this change. Also get to know about the Industrial Revolution which happened in Europe during this time and what the Industrial Revolution gave to the society. How did the society respond to this Industrial Revolution? You will also get to know about socialism, how socialism emerged, who supported socialism, who were they called, which party do they belong to, and eventually you will get to know about the Russian Revolution. Before going into the Russian Revolution, you will be given a background of the Russian Empire during 1914. How was the economy and society and the political order at that time in Russia? And what did socialism do in Russia in all these aspects? Socialism was not something which was only limited to the political spheres. It extends its arms into economy, society, and politics. Especially, you will get to know how the 1905 shaped Russia. You will also get to know how the First World War impacted Russia and the February Revolution which took place in Petrograd, which was Petersburg. Finally, you'll get to know about the revolution of the October 1917 and what changes took place after this revolution of October 1917. You will also get to know about the civil war which was fought in Russia, and you will get to know the terms of Stalinism and collectivization. You will get to know the people who started Stalinism and collectivization. Apart from this, at the end, you will also be given understanding of what did Russian Revolution provide to the world, means how did it influence the global countries. Just like we studied this topic in the previous chapter also, that what did French Revolution give to other countries. In the same way, we will see in Russian Revolution also what did the Russian Revolution give to the other countries. So you will be seeing all these topics in details in the videos provided.